Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 Ford F-350 Super Duty with a 6.7 liter V8 Power Stroke turbo diesel. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. So it does have the fog lights, tow hooks up front, painted alloy wheels, fixed running boards, and the Lariat package. Four-wheel drive, obviously. Tailgate step. Does have a spray-on liner. That's a Rhino liner. And power sliding back window. And the second row does have heated seats, as you see here. And it has a 110 volt outlet back there. Also has a sunroof. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN right there. All right. As you look down here, you'll see that it has 103,356 miles on this vehicle. You have your toggles for your cruise control, your push to talk, and your stereo controls right there. And this will be easier to see if we go ahead and close that sunroof. You do have a glasses holder up here and map reading lights. You have your glove compartment over there. You have another 110 volt outlet right here. Upfitter switches, trailering controls, 2- and 4-wheel drive. And as you come up here, we're gonna have our comfort controls right here. And stereo, and here's your disc for your entertainment. You see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, and an auxiliary port. Here are where you would control your heated or cooled front seats. There's your navigation right there. And then you'd connect your phone there. If you want to see the backup camera, pop it into reverse. There we go. Okay. And that about wraps it up for this F-350 on the interior.
All right.
This vehicle does have a branded title. It was in a rear end accident. Had damage here to the front. The airbags deployed, but there is no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. Has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.